Good morning, traders. Nick Mastandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Friday, January 31st. It's approximately 5:30 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia closed pretty much to the downside. The Hang Seng index closed down by triple digits. The only exchange that closed fractionally high was the Indian Sensex. In terms of Europe right now, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside this hour. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. The indices themselves, the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all pointing lower. Metals in terms of gold is trading fractionally higher. At one point this morning it was lower and then it was unchanged, but now it is starting to trade a bit higher. We were to take a look at economic news that are driving the markets today. We do have some news. We do have core PCE price index. We have employment cost index. We have personal spending out at 8:30 a.m., personal income out at 8:30 a.m. Some of these is considered to be major. Personal spending, personal income is always considered to be somewhat major. Chicago PMI, which is out at 945, is always major and a proven market mover. In terms of the revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, these are revised numbers, therefore they're really not considered to be major. However, we do have an FOMC member speaking this afternoon at 1:15 p.m. East Coast time, and that's always considered to be major. All in all, biases to the downside. The reason for this is the markets right now are nearly correlated to the downside. The only exception to the rule right now is gold, and gold is trading fractionally higher. However, Asia closed down. Europe is currently trading down. The U.S. futures are pointing down, and the markets appear to be correlated to the downside. The financials in terms of the U.S. dollar and the bonds are both trading higher, which does not bode well for an upside day. Could this change? Absolutely. Any one of these reports could move the markets in another direction today. But thus far, our bias is to the downside. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.